Triumphs. I've owned a few, believe it or not. Not the TR7, the TR6. I love Triumph. I mean, inline 6-cylinder, way ahead of their time. It was a GM block, by the way, in case you're wondering if it was. Yes, it was. It was a GM block with a Rover head and a Rover intake on it. Again, dual carb setups can be tricky. See an expert, if you can still find one alive. Anybody who owns a TR6 or 7 is doing their own work, so you know it's easy to get to. Rear suspension on a 6, take your time, take it apart, take a lot of photos while it goes apart, bring the rear end into somebody who's a professional at setting up that rear end and put it back in, because you don't want to do that twice, and it's only a couple $100 to have a guy look at it. But watch out for those bolts that bolt on to the rear end housing. They tend to rust in there and snap. Get a torch, get some heat on them, take them out slowly, or you'll be putting Healy coils in.
The part you need now.